Banta, lambda banta
0.75.
0.75. Okay, what are this? So I'll have equation as e power minus lambda lambda square by 2 factorial is equal to 4 into e power minus lambda lambda power 3 by 3 factorial. So e power lambda cancels and lambda square get cancels. So I'll get lambda as 3 factorial by 2 factorial by 4 factorial. Sorry, 4. So which comes to 3 by 4, which is 0.75. So now you have lambda. Now you can compute p of x less than 2. Now less than 2 new complementary convert ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. Less than 2 easy ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಬಹುದಲ್ವಾ? Less than 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 0 and 1. So it is p of x equals 0 plus p of x equals 1. So if you write that as 1 minus, you will have 1 minus x greater than or equal to 2, which becomes difficult to the computation.
Sir, Excel sheet ಕಾಣ್ತಿಲ್ಲ sir.
Excel sheet ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನಾನು. ಇದು equation ತಾನೆ?
ಹಾ ಸರಿ sir.
ಬಂತ lambda 0.75 ಬಂತ ನಿಮಗೆ?
ಹಾ sir.
Okay. ಎಷ್ಟು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು?
$0.8270. P of x less than 2.
Less than 2. 0.9 ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನನಗೆ.
0.8265.
Okay. Yeah, 0.8266. Next, p of x equals 3 will be per minus lambda.
0.0332.
$0.0332. Fine. So next one is also a similar question. For a Poisson distribution, p of 3 is equal to p of 4. Find mean standard deviation and compute p of x greater than or equal to 3. In the last class, we talked about mean and variance also, the theory class. We have mean is equal to lambda and variance of a Poisson distribution is also lambda. So standard deviation becomes square root of lambda. By state ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ derive ಮಾಡಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ, next class ಅಲ್ಲಿ derive ಮಾಡಿ. ಹಾಗಿರೋ next one ಹೋಗಿ fifth one ಗೆ solve ಮಾಡಿ ಹೇಳಿ lambda ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? So we'll have e power minus lambda.
4 sir.
Yes. E power minus lambda lambda power 4 by 4 factorial. So we'll get lambda is equal to 4. So solve those two equations. Those equality given, that will give you lambda equals 4. So mean becomes lambda.
Sir, a fourth question ge. Moment coefficient of skewness adeng sir.
ಅದು ಇನ್ನು skewness kurtosis ಮಾಡಿಲ್ವಲ್ಲ, theory class ಆಗಲಿ, theory class ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ we'll come back to this question and we'll answer. Okay.
Sir, lambda ಮತ್ತೆ root of lambda ಏನು sir?
Lambda is the mean of Poisson distribution and variance is also lambda. That's why standard deviation becomes square root of lambda. ಎಲ್ಲೋಗಿದೆ ಎಷ್ಟೊತ್ತು?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ಹೋಗಿದೆ ಬಂದೆ.
So I have mean equals lambda equals 4. standard deviation equals square root of lambda equals square root of 4 equals to 2, and compute p of x greater than or equal to 3. P of x greater than or equal to 3, greater than ಇರುವಾಗಲೆಲ್ಲ poison ಅಲ್ಲಿ complement use ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡೆ compute ಮಾಡಿ. So it becomes 1 minus x less than 3. ನೋಡಿ ಅವ್ರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು left hand side alle equality ಇದೆ. So I'll just consider less than 3, and favorable values for x less than 3 are 0, 1, 2. So I'll have 1 minus p of x equals 0 plus p of x equals 1 plus p of x is equal to 2. Okay, so even the sixth question is about moments, skewness, other things. So we'll keep this pending. Next class ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಂಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜ್ಞಾಪಿಸಿ ಅದು. Even if I forget and go to next practical, we'll complete this and then we'll move. Now after solving fifth one, you can come to question number 7. ಆಯ್ತಾ?
Sir, 0.7619.
Okay. Okay, so this is a problem where we'll be using the limiting form of binomial. So this problem is to understand you how the probabilities can be computed for a particular variable which follows actually another distribution, but the probabilities could be obtained using the approximated distribution also. Okay, question says it is known that, can't see the Excel sheet, did I share it? It is known that 5% of the books bound at a certain bindery have defective bindings. Find the probability that 2 of 100 books bound by this binding will have no defective, at least 3 defective bindings, using the formula of binomial distribution and the Poisson distribution.
Sir, lambda 0.05. And the second one ge b ge.
Second one ge approximate ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ lambda n into p ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 of 100 ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿರೋದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ತಪ್ಪಾಗುತ್ತೆ. 2 of 100 5% of the books will have defective bindings. Okay, then I have to take x as the number of defective binding or number of books with defective binding. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದು ತಪ್ಪು. So you can just remove this word 2 So find the probability that out of 100 books bound by this binding center will have no defective, at least 3 defective bindings. Okay, let me change it in the main sheet.
Sir, 0.0059 sir binomial distribution ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಕಣ, ಇನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ಇರೋಣ, ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಪೇಸ್ಟ್ ಆಯ್ತಿದ್ದು. So this should be the proper question. Okay, so if you look into the question, it says 5%. It doesn't say average. Whenever percentage is given, then probability is given. Probability comes into picture when you're talking about the binomial distribution where you have probability of success. Whenever average is given, you can directly use the Poisson distribution. So we have percentage of defective binding books. So that is 0.05. So this, according to binomial, is probability that a book has defective binding. Probability that a book has defective binding. Okay, now we are talking about 100 of such books. So here you have N very large, P very small. So you can just directly use the Poisson distribution, but just to make you understand how binomial and Poisson are almost same in certain situations, they have asked use it by computing binomial as well as the Poisson approximation to binomial. But exam alli ee tara A B anta nav helalla. It is understood that we are expecting the answer from you were using the binomial distribution. ಸಾರಿ ನಾಟ್ ಬೈನಾಮಿಯಲ್, Poisson distribution. Poisson distribution ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡೇನೆ ನೀವು ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ನ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So if I'm using binomial distribution, then I have the PMF as x is equal to P of x equals NCX P power x into Q power n minus x, where x takes the value 0, 1 up to n, and here n is 100. And here I define x as number of books out of 100 which are defective, of course, which have defective binding. Okay, so if I'm working under this, then the question says what is the probability of no defectives? So out of 100 there are no defectives bindings, so this is P of x is equal to 0. So since I have defined x as number of books which have defective binding, if I say probability of no defective bindings, I mean all my 100 books are clearly or neatly binded. There are no defective books. So this will be 100 C0 into P. P we have 0.05 to the power of 0, and Q is 1 minus P, which comes to 0.95 to the power of 100. So 100 C0 is 1, P power 0 is also 1.
0.0059, sir.
0.95 to the power of 100.
0.0059.
No, 0.0059. Okay. And next second question is probability of at least 3 defectives. Now at least 3 here is x greater than or equal to 3. Now here, because it is binomial, x is taking values 0 to 100, greater than or equal to 3 means 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 up to 100. So again I have to end up calculating many more probabilities. So I'll convert that into complementary form. So that is x less than 3. So the probability becomes 1 minus P of x less than 3. So this will be 1 minus P of less than 3 andre x is equal to 0 plus P of x is equal to 1 plus P of x is equal to 2. Now obtain them using the PMF of binomial.
.8817
Total
final answers. Yes sir. Alla sir, final answer. Total 0.1183 sir. Total
0.1183, 0.88
17.
Check ಮಾಡಿದ others. Okay, so is this correct? 0.0059 plus 0.0311 plus 0.0811. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
1.12.
Correct.
Okay, so 88% defective. Okay, so if I'm using Poisson, then my PMF is e power minus lambda. So in this case, so I have first one P of no defective, that is x is equal to 0. Okay. So first you have to write all those assumptions. Since n is large and p is small, x tends to Poisson with lambda. How much is lambda? Whenever we are doing the approximation, lambda is taken as
5, sir. Lambda.
Another NP. So lambda is equal to NP. And n is 100. P is so you will get lambda equals 5. Now use this lambda to compute the required probability. So have P of x equals 0, no defective, that is e power minus lambda, which is minus 5, and 5 power 0 divided by 0 factorial, which comes to 0.0067. Similarly, obtain the case for 3. So at least 3, x greater than or equal to 3. Complete the steps. Just that
0.8754.
0.8754.
54.
Okay. Okay, so for the second case, the approximation is quite good, 0.88, what we have observed in binomial, and using Poisson, it is 0.87. And in the last theory class, I told you when your n is very large, then the approximation becomes very much good. But practical cases, even when our n is quite large than 30 or 20, can use the Poisson distribution. ಆಯ್ತಾ, ಇದು ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅಂತ? Anybody who has doubt, has got some doubts or issues with this?
ಸರ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್.
ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ ಇಸ್ n into p. ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ ನೀವು ಬೈನಾಮಿಯಲ್ ನ ಪೋಸಾನ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾನ n into p ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಲ್ಲ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ, ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್. n ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಬೈನಾಮಿಯಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? ಗಿವನ್ n is 100, p ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? Probability 0.05. So you have p here, you have n, multiply them, that will fetch you lambda. So 100 into 0.05, that is 5. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Now once you get lambda, use the PMF of Poisson and compute the probability. P of x equals 0 is e power minus 5, 5 power 0 by 0 factorial. P of x greater than or equal to 3 equals 1 minus P of x less than 3. So you're executing the same steps, but in case of binomial, you used NCX P power x. Now we are telling use this PMF to compute the probabilities. ಆಯ್ತಾ, ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ?
ಸರ್ ಬೈನಾಮಿಯಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದಿದ್ರೆ ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ 0.5 ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಸರ್?
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಬೈನಾಮಿಯಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೂ n and p ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ಲೇಬೇಕು. ಸಿ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಕೊಡ್ಲೇಬೇಕು. ಇಫ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಸ್ ರಿಗಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಬೈನಾಮಿಯಲ್, n and p ಕೊಟ್ಟೇ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ನೀವು ಹುಡುಕ್ಬೇಕು. ಅದೇ ತರ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಬರೀ ಪಾಸೊಂದೇ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನ ನೀವು ಬೈನಾಮಿಯಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, Poisson ಅಪ್ರಾಕ್ಸಿಮೇಷನ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ತೋರ್ಸಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ 2 ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಹಾಕಿರೋದು. ಅದೇ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಈ ತರ ಕೇಳಿರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಬರೀ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಬಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಎಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಟ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಅಟ್ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ 3 ಡಿಫೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಬೈಂಡಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಮುಗ್ದೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ಎ ಬಿ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನ Poisson ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಬೈ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಬೈನಾಮಿಯಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ರಾಂಗ್, ವಿಲ್ ಗಿವ್ ಯು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ as said, these methods, the approximations are mathematically derived in order to make the calculation simpler. ಮುಂಚೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇಷ್ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟರ್ಸ್ ಗಳು, ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ಸ್ ಗಳು ಇಲ್ಲದೇ ಇದ್ರಿಂದ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅವರು ಸರ್ಟನ್ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನೋಡೋದು. ಈಗ ಪ್ರಾಬಬಿಲಿಟಿ 50ಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬಂದ್ರೆ 50% ಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ, ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ, ಸೊ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಬರೀ they were not looking into exact values, they were looking into the boundary values. Is it less than this, is it more than this, is the chance very high. ಸೊ ಆ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್ ಗಳಿಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡೋಕೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ 0.59 ಬಂದ್ರು ಅದೇ ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, 0.067 ಬಂದ್ರು ಅದೇ ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈಗ ಅವನು ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮ್ಯಾನ್ಯುಯಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಬೈನಾಮಿಯಲ್ ಇಂದ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅವನು 0.95 to the power of 100 ಅದು ಮಾಡೋದು ತುಂಬಾ ಕಷ್ಟದ ಕೆಲಸ, ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟರ್ ಇಲ್ದೆ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವಾಗ ಅವನ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಿ ಅಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡೋ ಬದಲು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಡೂ e⁻⁻5 ಅಂದ್ರೆ e⁻1 divided by e⁻5. e⁻5 is easier. Any number to the power of 5 is easier to compute any number to the power of 100. So in order to reduce the calculation time, such methods are evolved. And even in the practical cases, whenever we have a situation where I can make a decision very quickly, then I will go to a Poisson distribution rather than using this when really my N and P are large. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Banta idellargu answer banta 0.8754. Girls? ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಸಂಡೆ ನಿದ್ದೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ದಿನ ಸಂಡೇನೆ ಆಗಿದೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ. ಸರಿ ಆಯ್ತು, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಕೂಡ ಅದೇ ತರ ಇದೆ. Okay, so this is also a problem where you can solve using both binomial as well as Poisson methods. Now you can see the percentage or the probabilities there. It is just 4% out of many, and he is inspecting say 20 cars. So I said, even if P is small, for n like more than 15 also you can use Poisson distribution. Now you are the decision maker. You decide whether you will go with binomial or you will go with Poisson. Now if you ask me, I'll say you definitely take binomial distribution because you have calculators, you have computers, you can easily compute the exact probability. So when you can compute exact probabilities, why to obtain the approximations, right? But in this class we'll solve this using Poisson distribution because we are discussing the problems under Poisson cases. We have to learn how to convert binomial into Poisson. So binomial ella kaltidivi agle. So ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ನೀವು ಮುಂದೆ ಕೆಲಸಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗುವಾಗ ಈ ತರ ಏನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಇದು ಬೈನಾಮಿಯಲ್ಲೇ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ, ಬೈನಾಮಿಯಲ್ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ, Poisson ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಾ, ಆ ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ ನೀವು ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲಿಸುವಾಗ ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಕಲಿಸ್ತೀವಿ. You are the decision maker when it comes to your particular life or scenario. Okay. So here also we have P, which is equal to percent of cars failing the inspection. See, ಕೆಲವು countries ಅಲ್ಲಿ after certain age of the cars they have to send the car for annual inspection. ಅದು ಫೇಲ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಆ ಕಾರ್ನ ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ವಶಪಡಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ, ಯು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಯುವರ್ ಕಾರ್ ಅಂತ. ಬಟ್ ನಮ್ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಹಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಎಷ್ಟೇ ಹಳೆ ಲಾರಿಗಳಿದ್ರು ಹೊಗೆ ಬಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ರೋಡಲ್ಲಿ ಓಡಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ. Probability that a car fails the inspection, annual inspection. So that is given as 4%. So you are observing that it is a small value for a probability, small chance, and you have n is equal to 20. It is not that high, practically speaking, but 20 is a large number compared to usually what we take as a binomial sample. We talk about 7 cases, 8 cases, 6 dice, 5 coins. When we say 20 is really a large number because it's producing, infinite, countably finite number of elements in the sample space. So we can take that as high. Now, since we have n high and p low, we will use Poisson distribution. But you can also use binomial, but it is actually binomial. But binomial use ಮಾಡಿ ಸರ್ ಯಾಕೆ Poisson ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ನಾ ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಇವತ್ತು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋದು Poisson distribution ಬಗ್ಗೆ. ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ Poisson distribution ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ಬೈನೋಮಿಯಲ್ ನ Poisson ಹೆಂಗ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಅದನ್ನ ಕಲಿಸ್ತಿರೋದು. ಬೈನೋಮಿಯಲ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಆಗೋಗಿದೆ, ಸೊ ಅದರಿಂದ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಬೈನೋಮಿಯಲ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ಬರೀರಿ x ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿ. So you can have 0, 1, 2. Now binomial Poisson ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ I'll just write 0, 1 to 3 etc. ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನ ಸಾರಿ ಬೈನಾಮಿಯಲ್ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ 0, 1 to 20 ಬರ್ಕೋತೀರಾ. Poisson ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ 0, 1 to 3 ಗೆ ನಡೆಸ್ತೀರಾ. And we need lambda.
0.8, sir.
Where did the cheat go? So have lambda is equal to n into p, which is 20 into 0.04, which comes to 0.8. So this is your average cars. So this is equal to average number of cars. Average number of cars failing the inspection. Okay. Now, first question. What is the probability that the cars which fail lie between 7 and 11? So it is P of 7 less than x less than 11. So it is x is equal to 8 plus x is equal to 9 plus x is equal to 10.
Zero, sir.
ಗೆ ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಓಕೆ